Hi friends! In this video, I will show you how to create Google Play Store account on your phone. Let's get started. First, make sure you are connected to internet. Once you are successfully connected with internet, then second step is to open Google Play Store app. Here you will see Sign In option, click on it. Tab the Create Account and then tab on for Personal Use option. Now here, type your first and then last name, but last name is optional. Once done, tab on Next button. Here, select your date of birth first, and then select your gender, and then tab on Next buttons. Now here type your unique email or Play Store account name, which is not already taken by anyone, and then tab on Next button. Set or type your password for this Google Play Store account, and then tab on Next button. Tab on Yes, I'm in. Tab on Next button. Now here tab on I agree button. Tab on Accept button. That's it. Through this quick and easy way, you can create your new Google Play Store account on your phone. If you find my video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.